This is K. Lakshmi Shukita from grade 9 of Shakti Vidyalaya. My project is upgrading the Votesphere by digital intelligence. One of our national problems is that the percentage of voting in India is low due to accessibility issues and technological gaps, high migration and urbanization, and also some of the accessible issues. So, I have proposed the theory of voting by digital to enhance the voting percentage in India. First, my idea will be executed as follows. The candidate has to go to the ballot with with their Aadhaar card number, and once they enter the ballot, they have to enter the Aadhaar card number in the proposed machine I have done. Then their information and details will be listed follows like names, their permanent address and pin code of their respective district or state, and then their phone number. So with this usage, we've checked whether the recipient is the voter eligible for it. Then they have to go for the second step verification, which is iris verification. They have to just keep their iris, and the verification will check whether the present iris is matched with a stored iris already in the Aadhaar card. So once and if the iris is matched, then the process will be proceeded. Like they can district bus respective district or nominees will be displayed in the machine. They just have to vote for the wishable people. Then they have to leave the place, and this is accessible for everyone. What I have done new is it's the usual machine, but with the improvement of Python coding installment in it, and with secure two steps verification. Thank you.